Another champ. Ka-chow! Hello, Super Lightnings. This is your champion, Jackson Storm. Just kidding. Hello, Super Lightnings. This is your champion, Tanner Parker, not Jackson Storm, back again for a new video on the Champion Racer Collection channel. I know the video of my code changer, Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, has just been published, but I decided that I wanted to Jackson Storm right now. So let's start taking a look at the details. So on the name tag says Jackson Storm 2-in-1 with his with the vehicle inside. Here's the artwork, which has the added Piston Cup Champion sticker there. Color changers, Disney Pixar cars. On the back, I actually found an error. You know this is Jackson Storm, right? No. You know this is Lightning McQueen, right? No, this is Jackson Storm. Why do you ask? Yeah, I literally found an error in the store. I literally found a change that says Lightning McQueen, but instead of Jackson Storm. But I'm not going to keep this in package. I decided I really want to open this, so that's what I'm doing right now. Yo, that was easier than it looked. Okay, I think after this, I only have to do the review on the color changer Bobby Swift. And here is my color changer, Jackson Storm. So let's start taking a look at the details. So on the front, there's this frown with the headlights. On the right side, there's the Piston Cup Champion sticker, which is actually just the Piston Cup, just in yellow, with the 2.0, the sponsors being Combustor, Carbon, Cyber, and Synergy, with the Igniter, Liquid Adrenaline, the blue S, which is a tropical storm symbol, or hurricane symbol, my bad. He has black rims. On the back, he has no rookie stripes, with the taillights, 2.0, Igniter, Liquid Adrenaline, and Piston Cup Champion sticker. Same thing on the other side, but flipped, but with the addition of the gas cap. On the hood, it says Igniter Liquid Adrenaline. His eyes are also stickers, which also there was a Jackson Storm that his eyes were also printed. 2.0 on the roof, Igniter Liquid Adrenaline on the spoiler. To compare him, I also have a regular Jackson Storm, but it's kind of an unfair comparison because, well, it is a kind of a fair comparison, but this is the Piston Cup Champion Jackson Storm. This is the regular Jackson Storm. And another way you can tell this is the regular ones because this one has the rookie stripes, this one does not. Oh, and another notice I just found is that this one does not have window bars, but this one does. Now enough chit chat, now it's time to turn Jackson Storm's colors. Alright, I got the hot water and the cold water, so first I'm gonna turn Jackson light blue. Oh, whoa. This water is really hot. But anyway, hey, Jackson looks sweet in light blue. Now I'm gonna turn him black. Come on, turn black. He's not really black. On camera, he looks like a gray, but off camera, he looks like a really dark green. Black anymore. Well, I can cut. Oh, on camera you can see the Jackson. Oh, I can start to see the Jackson starting to look back. But on camera, Jackson looks black, but off camera he looks dark green. But Jackson still looks sweet with the light blue. So now I have six color changes I only need to review Bobby Swift. But right now, the color changes I have are, I'm gonna turn them all in the cold color. So I have Fabulous Lightning McQueen, Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, Dinoco Lightning McQueen, and the King. I only need to review Bobby Swift now. Now I'm gonna turn these cars into the lighter colors. So here's red for the Fabulous McQueen, yellow for Cruz, light blue for Jackson, light blue for Dinoco McQueen. Oh. And light blue for the king. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, I just thought of something. Jackson Storm in light blue kind of reminds me of Jackson Storm if he would be sponsored by Dinoco. This is what, if Jackson Storm looked in Dinoco, this is probably what he looked like. This is one of my favorite color changers now. Him, I'm not kidding. Him, Cruz Ramirez, and Lightning McQueen are one of my favorites. Well, that was basically it for the review of my color changer Jackson Storm. Hold on, let me turn him first black, and then I'll turn him fully with the front blue. Thank you so much for watching. Champion Racer Collection saying goodbye.